pain he's having.
Slight numbness is there. No pain as such in the neck.
Any tingling sensation? Mohi aata like.
हात मोयता?
ना ना तशें कितें ना.
Okay, and this has been going on for.
कितलो तेप जालो अशें जाता?
जालें साधारण 1.5 म्हयनो आता.
1.5 month.
Okay, is he diabetic?
ना ना.
No.
Diabetes काय ना.
Okay, but you're unable to lift your arms overhead. Yeah. So one thing that can lead to this most commonly that I have seen is a frozen shoulder.
Frozen shoulder.
But that happening on both the sides is a little odd.
Yeah.
And that's why I asked whether it's neck pain and that a cervical spondylosis is leading to this. But usually cervical spondylosis will come with more of neck pain, which may radiate to the shoulders. But that has to be ruled out. Plus, then associated symptom that he has mentioned is the back pain and pain going down the
lower
great toe.
Yeah.
Probably the great toe, he said. So there's a possibility that he might be having spondylosis. But he needs an orthopedic as well as a neurological evaluation.
डॉक्टर म्हणटा त्या म्हणून प्रॉपर इव्हॅल्युएशन करचें पडटलें म्हाका दिसता तुमी न्युरोलॉजिस्टाचो ओपिनियन घेतल्यार बरो आनी डेफिनेटली बरें जावं शकता आनी ते पळय म्हाजे दोन खांदे दुखता म्हणटा भुजां दुखता कित्याक खातीर म्हणजे प्रॉपर म्हणजे ते कित्या खातीर जाला हें पयलीं समजून घेवप खूब गरजेचें आसा ट्रिटमेंट ऑप्शन्स खूब आसा डेफिनेटली यू विल फील बेटर मॅडम आय थिंक वी हॅव गॉट अ क्वेश्चन हॅलो
Hello. Good evening, doctor.
Good evening.
Doctor, I'm calling from Vedna, and doctor, I have migraines from 9 years now, and at present I'm taking Dexy 25 and Triptoma 10 mg.
What is your age now?
I'm 33.
What is your job?
I'm a housewife.
And how often are your headaches? How often?
I get migraine headaches every day. And what happens is I get like a shock in my vein in my neck.
Okay. And how long that headache lasts once it comes?
Headache is more in the evening.
Okay. And for how many hours it lasts? Like 4 hours?
For how much duration?
Duration somewhat full evening it is. Even night like I can't sleep properly. That's why I take Triptoma.
Okay. See, Triptomar and Daxid are usually not the routine medications that we prescribe for the prevention of migraine. There's another set of medications which usually works with migraine. So I would like to take a complete history and maybe change her medications, and then probably she'll be better.
Better. जसे डॉक्टरान सांगला की ते आपण तुम्ही न्यूरोलॉजिस्टचो ओपिनियन घेयात प्रॉपर इव्हॅल्युएशन करून घेयात आणि म्हाका दिसता मे बी जशें मॅडम म्हटलं की एकदम त्याच मेडिकेशनाक रिजिड रावू नाकात जर ते इट हॅज नॉट गिवन यू मच रिलीफ आफ्टर टेकिंग फॉर सो मेनी डेज
9 years
या आणि कारण खूप दिसाचे तुमचे आसा डेफिनेटली बेटर ऑप्शन्स आर अवेलेबल सो एक तुम्ही ट्राय घेऊ येता सेकंड ओपिनियन घेतल्यार बरें पडटलें आय थिंक डॉक्टर वी हॅव गॉट अनदर क्वेश्चन हॅलो
आय एम स्पीकिंग फ्रॉम पोंडा
या
my question is that I am having the epilepsy
मातसो मोठ्यान उलयात
1990. Okay, so I'm taking that Gardenal 60.
Okay.
Gardenal 60. I'm taking a tablet. Dr. Jindal was.
Okay. You tell what you are taking. Forget the name.
Okay. Now my question is that suppose if I do a uterus operation, is there any this thing means I will get the epilepsy again?
How often are your seizures, or are you seizure free for a long period of time now?
No, only when I fall sick only, I'm getting that this thing seizure.
So when was the last time you got a seizure?
I think so in the June.
In June, okay.
Yeah, that is also due to that I got a loose motion.
Loose motions, okay.
And that time I got.
Okay. See, even if you are on anti-epileptic medications like she is on Gardinal, she can undergo a surgery. Because Gardinal is one medication which can be converted to injectable also during the time of surgery. Although Gardinal is now an older medication, we don't prefer it. But because since 1990 she has been on that. So
in short, I think तुमच्या ऑपरेशना खातीर तुमच्यान ऑपरेशन करूं येता आणि जशें शक्य आसा जाल्यार तुमी न्युरोलॉजिस्टाचो ओपिनियन घेया आणि आता परत इव्हॅल्युएशन करून त्या प्रमाणे खंयची वखदां तुमकां बरी सुटेबल जातली ती चेंज करून ऑपरेशन करू शकता म्हणजे देर इज नो रिस्ट्रिक्शन फॉर
नो बट I don't think she needs to change also because she has been stable on this medication. But of course, yeah, it's always better to get evaluated.
नाही म्हणजे ड्युरिंग ऑपरेशन समजा तशें कितें गरज आसा जाल्यार डेफिनेटली डॉक्टर म्हणजे तुमकां हेल्प करूं शकतले. सो देर इज नथिंग टू बी वरीड अबाउट की ऑपरेशन करपा जावचो ना अशी सिच्युएशन ना. दॅट्स वॉट.
Just because of seizures, she does not need to withhold her surgery.
Okay. Madam, I think we have got another question. Hello.
Hello.
Doctor, good evening.
Very good evening.
Doctor, I'm calling from Altin.
Yeah.
I'm Jonita Colasso. Doctor, I'm having problem with my knee, and I'm having diabetes now nearly 15 years, since 15 years. And my knees are very bad. Walking, I have a little walking problem and all.
What did your orthopedician told you?
Diabetes, little bit when it is higher side. सुबेच दुखूंक लागता पांय.
पण तुझ्या हाडाच्या दोतोराक तू मेळ्ळा?
वय मेवली.
ताणे कितें सांगलें?
तो डॉक्टर म्हणटा ते डॉक्टर ऑपरेशन कर म्हणटा.
म्हणजे ते सांगता बेसिकली मीन्स ही हॅज गिवन यू द सोल्युशन की आता तुम्ही फक्त तुम्ही डायबिटीज कंट्रोल दवरप खूप सगळ्यात महत्वाचे. नॉट ओनली फॉर द युअर नीज बट अदरवायज फॉर ऑल जनरल पॅरामिटर्स ऑफ युअर बॉडी. डायबिटीज कंट्रोल करपाचो प्रयत्न दवरात. आय डोंट नो वॉट इज युअर वेट बट इफ यू आर ओवर वेट प्लीज ट्राय टू कंट्रोल युअर वेट. आणि जर तुम्हाला दोतोरान सांगलें की आनी सगळ्या सद्या सिच्युएशन काय ऑल्टरनेटिव्ज ना जाल्यार डेफिनेटली ऑप्शन फक्त एकच आसा ऑपरेशन. जाल्यार डेफिनेटली इट कॅन हेल्प यू. आनी तुमी अशें टेन्शन घेवं नाकात की ऑपरेशन केल्या उपरांत कितें जातलें अशें म्हणून. इफ दॅट इज द ओनली सोल्युशन लेफ्ट डेफिनेटली यू कॅन गो. पण बाकीचे पॅरामिटर स्पेशली डायबेटीक स्टेटस सारको नॉर्मल दवरपाचो प्रयत्न करात. यू कॅन कन्सल्ट द बेस्ट डॉक्टर एंडोक्रायनॉलॉजिस्ट जाल्यार ओपिनियन घेयात. बट सी दॅट यू प्लीज एन्श्योर दॅट युअर डायबिटीस इज अंडर कंट्रोल.
Appears to be like a knee osteoarthritis.
Knee osteoarthritis. She has been already told by the orthopedician she requires a surgery. So definitely there is nothing much from our side, and she has to control her diabetes. She is already diabetic. What we are asking about, madam, see, with newer medicines, especially I'm talking about migraine. What is the difference? Because somebody has asked you whether these medicines are can be taken for a long, and you said like okay, there are another set of medicine. I would like to know a little about the management of migraine in this through medicines or whatever you would like to do. Because this question is, this problem is quite common, especially migraine, as you said, among intellectual women.
Not only among intellectual, but
let them feel at least they are intellectual. Why we have to do that?
But yes, it's a very common problem. And see, migraine has to be, I call migraine more a lifestyle based disease.
Okay.
Because there are so many changes that you can make in the lifestyle and prevent so many acute attacks of migraine occurring. Suppose migraine is episodic, it's occurring only like once in a while, maybe once a month or once in 2 months. In that case, you don't need to take continuous medications to prevent migraine. It has to be managed with analgesics on an SOS basis, that whenever the headache occurs, you have to take the medicine and abort that attack as soon as possible. Avoid triggers. Everyone has his own triggers. Like some people get it when they go out in the sunlight.
Some people get it when they have chocolates.
Chocolates, cheese, Chinese foods, excess coffee, if they don't sleep well, or sometimes they exert a lot, overexertion, or sometimes when they take a vacation. After a period of exertion, suddenly the people relax on Sundays.
I'm sorry to disturb you. I think we have got a call.
Yeah, please.
Yes, please. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello, doctor.
विचारत.
डॉक्टर हांव बोलता पणजेसून.
विचारत.
डॉक्टर हांव माझ्या डॅडीच्या बद्दल एक प्रश्न विचारता. माझ्या डॅडीक एक 1.5 वर्सां पयलीं एक मायल्ड स्ट्रोक येयल्लो. मायल्ड स्ट्रोक म्हणजे आमी ताबडतोब डॉक्टर हॉस्पिटलान गेले म्हणून तो मला डॉक्टर कितें म्हणलो की एक 15-20 मिनटां लेट जाल्लो ताका स्ट्रोक येवपाचो म्हणून. ते जालें मागीर क्युअर जावन आमी डॅडीक घरा कडेन हाडले आनी मागीर आतां कितें जाता सद्या ताका लिसाय सेन्सीस ताका ना म्हणजे टंग बीन ताका सेन्स जायना हेजेर.
एके सायडीक
एका सायडीक न्हू म्हणजे अख्खी टंगूच तेजी सेन्स जायना.
फक्त टंग
कितें टंग आनी मातशें लिप्स अशें.
बाकी सगळें नॉर्मल आसा.
बाकी सगळें नॉर्मल आहा. बाकी सगळें नॉर्मल फक्त आपलो आपूण स्वताचो तावो घेतलो न्हू जाल्यार चिमटो काडलो लिप्साक जाल्यार ताका हें जायना सेन्स जायना.
अच्छा, पण जेवता खाता व्यवस्थित?
जेवता खाता व्यवस्थित पण आपल्याक कांयच टेस्ट लागना म्हणटा.
अच्छा, टेस्ट लागना. उलयता व्यवस्थित?
उलयता सगळें व्यवस्थित.
अच्छा, ओके. He had a stroke. His father had a stroke 1.5 years back, and since then his tongue is less sensation. He cannot taste the food properly, but the person can talk. That's what he has told me.
Is he able to close his eye or?
डोळे बंद करू शकता? Okay, maybe.
Yeah, because if he lost his taste and it was a sudden event in which there was a facial deviation, suppose like it could be a Bell's palsy also, because he denies
correct,
that
correct, absolutely. In fact, I was just thinking about whether it may be Bell's palsy.
Yeah, because he's denying any weakness of the limbs.
No, and he's very specific about the face region only. So maybe तुमचे perception एक वेळ चुकीचे असेल तर मला तुम्ही neurologist opinion घ्यात and definitely you can be help. Madam, we have got short time and we will take only one question. Hello.
Yeah, hello doctor.
विचारा.
म्हाका एक क्वेश्चन विचारपाक जाय.
सडसडी विचारा.
हय, माझ्या हजबंडाची एज हा 38. ओके, तेका न्हू फाटीच्या कोणाचो मातसो प्रॉब्लेम हा, स्लीप डिस्क हा तेका मातशी.
कितें आसा?
ओके, दिसाक ते फाटीचो कोणो आसा लास्ट न्हू तिंगा मातशे तेजे ते हे स्लीप डिस्क म्हणटा पळय ते.
स्लीप डिस्क.
हय. सो तेका दिसाक 8 वरां सुमार चलच्या पडटा. 8 वरां कामाचेर. सो तेका सकाळचे उठतकूच खंय पांयां पोंच्यान आसा न्हू ते खूब दुखता म्हणटा तो आपल्या, भरपूर दुखता म्हणटा, खूब पेन जाता. सो व्हॉट इज द सोल्युशन?
So slip disc for so many years and there's a lot of pain that she comes.
And he has to walk around for quite a long time in his, as a part of his job.
Okay. And
so when he gets up in the morning, he gets severe pain below the.
Like some medications are going on for this or not?
Must be.
Must be. Yeah. But as I said initially, like if a pain of or slip disc or anything is not responding to medications for a long time and is really disabling, then surgery is the answer. But whether she has done her MRI or not, I am not aware. But she says there's a slip disc, so probably she had done an MRI. Maybe surgery is an answer if the medicines are not working, but I would like to see.
डॉक्टरान सांगला की ह्या पेशंटाक प्रॉपर इव्हॅल्युएशन जावप खूप गरजेचें आसा. दुसरें म्हणजे जर ताका मेडिसिन्स चालू आसा आनी जर ताजे खूपच प्रॉब्लेम आसा, जर ताका सगळे मेडिसिन दिवन सुद्दां जर ताजे प्रॉब्लेम चालू जाल्यार सर्जिकल करेक्शन एक आसूं शकता. पण ताचे पयलीं वखदां, पयलीं डायग्नोसीस, वखदां, ट्रिटमेंट आनी एक्सरसायजीस. आतां कितें आसा, जरी तो मनीस चलता खूप वेळ, इट डजंट मीन दॅट ही इज डुईंग ऑल टायप ऑफ एक्सरसायजीस. फिजिओथेरपी ताजो जर एडवायस घेतलो जाल्यार बरीचशी ताका मदत जावं शकता. म्हाका दिसता तुमी तो सगळे अप्रोचीस करप आनी सगळे जे म्हणजे जशे एक्सरसायज बी सांगतात डॉक्टर किंवा फिजिओथेरपिस्ट ते फॉलो करप आनी दीस शूड गिव रिलीफ. बट इफ एट ऑल सगळे जर फेल जाले जाल्यार ऑपरेशन करूं येता आनी ऑपरेशन केलें म्हणून व्हडलोसो प्रॉब्लेम येना. डेफिनेटली विथ न्यूअर एडवान्सीस इन सर्जरी ऑपरेशन बरें जावन तो आपलें कामूय करूं शकतलो. बट डोंट टेक दीस एज अ फर्स्ट ऑप्शन, दीस शूड बी केप्ट एज अ लास्ट ऑप्शन. सो Doctor, really you have batted well with lot of questions and
Thank you.
Very tough balls, but I'm telling you that really you did a great job on behalf of all our viewers and spectators of this program. I thank you very much. दोतोरान मुजराम वेळ काढून ह्या कार्यावळीक आमच्या खातीर वेळ दिलो आनी तुमचे बरेचशे प्रश्न ज्या पद्दतीन तांकां शक्य आशिल्ले ते उत्तरां दिल्यात आनी जशें तांणी सांगलां तांकां खुबश्या प्रश्नांक प्रॉपर इव्हॅल्युएशन आसप गरजेचें. तेन्ना तुमी होप्स लूज करनासतना विश्वासान न्यूरोलॉजिस्टाचो ओपिनियन घेवन जर डॉक्टरान सांगला त्या प्रमाणे जर ट्रिटमेंट घेतली जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता बरेचशे प्रॉब्लेम टॅकल करूं येता. रायट फ्रॉम मायग्रेन म्हणा किंवा स्ट्रोक म्हणा, कारण आज तंत्रगिन्यान बदलला, वखदां बदलल्यात. खूब काळ आशिल्लो पयलीं लोक सगळे उठसूट मातशें कितें जालें काय कारवार धांवताले, मालवण धांवताले. आज तशी करपाची गरज ना. फॉर्च्युनेटली वी हॅव गॉट अ बेटर न्यूरोलॉजिस्ट दॅन ऑल नेबरिंग स्टेट्स इन द नेबरिंग एटलिस्ट लोकॅलिटीज. दॅट आय एम व्हेरी शुअर. आनी म्हाका दिसता ही जे तुमी हे जे मॅसेज आसा तो पॉझिटिवली घेयात. फक्त हो गेला म्हणून तो वता अशें करनासतना खंयचे जेन्ना अशें दुयेंस आसा, स्पेशली स्ट्रोक, पॅरालिसीस, तेन्ना ते कित्याक जाला हें म्हत्वाचें. ताजो बाकीचे पॅरामिटर्स, डायबेटीस, हायपरटेन्शन कंट्रोल करप तितकेंच गरजेचें. आनी परत एकदां सांगता, आज गोंयांत बरे न्यूरोलॉजिस्ट अवेलेबल आसात, तांची सर्विसीस अवेलेबल आसात आनी त्या सगळो इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर, सिटी स्कॅन म्हणा, MRI, हे सगळ्यो फेसिलिटी गोंयांत उपलब्ध आसात. इनफॅक्ट तुमच्या म्हायती कितें सांगता की बाकीच्या स्टेटींतले लोक हांगा येतात आनी हांगा सगळो फायदो करून घेतात. आनी आमचे लोक, आय एम नॉट अगेन्स्ट दॅट पीपल गोईंग आउट ऑफ द स्टेट, बट डोंट गेट कॅरीड. म्हणजे अशें खंयची तरी प्रथा कशी धांवत सुटू नाकात. प्रॉपर ओपिनियन घेयात. डेफिनेटली देर इज अ रे ऑफ होप. दुसरे फावटी आमचे बरोबर आसतले डॉक्टर कोनी डिसिल्वा, गायनेकॉलॉजी कन्सल्टंट, म्हणजे बायलांचे आनी म्हणजे स्त्री रोग तज्ञ. तुमचे त्याचे विशयी जे प्रश्न आसतले ते तयार दवरात. तो म्हणसर आमकां रजा दियात. तुमकां सगळ्यांक काळजान सावन देव बरें करूं.
थँक्यू व्हेरी मच फॉर हॅविंग मी ऑन दिस इंटरेस्टिंग शो. नमस्कार.